Hi guys, let us learn a few more examples of balancing chemical equation. We have iron reacting with water to give rise to iron oxide and hydrogen gas. So when we look at this chemical equation, it's very clear that it is not balanced because when we look at iron, so first let us write down what is LHS and RHS. So LHS are the reactants. We have iron, we have hydrogen, and then we have oxygen. Again, similarly on right hand side we have iron, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. So first starting with iron. So on the reactant side, the number of atoms of iron is 1, and on the product side it is 3. So if I write 3Fe, then iron is balanced, element iron is balanced. Now coming to hydrogen, on left side, that is water, hydrogen is 2, and on the right side again hydrogen is 2, it's balanced. But oxygen, if you look, oxygen is 1 on reactant side and oxygen is 4 on product side. So if I write a 4 beside water, then oxygen becomes 4 on both sides and oxygen is balanced, iron is balanced. But when we look at hydrogen, on left, that is the reactant, hydrogen is 8 because 4 2s are 8, and on right it is 2. So I will write a 4H2O. So now it is balanced. We get 3Fe plus 4H2O giving rise to Fe3O4 plus 4H2O. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Next, let us take one more example. Calcium oxide reacting with water to give rise to calcium hydroxide and heat. So it's a highly exothermic reaction. On the left hand side we have calcium, we have hydrogen, we have oxygen, and on the right again we have calcium, hydrogen, and oxygen. So calcium is 1 on both reactant and product side, oxygen is 2. So one oxygen is from CaO and another oxygen is from water. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and on right side you already have twice OH twice. And similarly hydrogen, if you take, it's 2 on the reactant side, that is water, and on the right side again it's OH twice, so again hydrogen is 2. So it is completely balanced, hence you can write self-balanced chemical equation. Now, next let us understand combustion, reaction of combustion. Methane reacts with oxygen to give rise to carbon dioxide and water. So in this reaction, we mainly again we have 3 elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen on both reactant and product side. Coming to carbon, carbon on reactant side it's methane, it's 1, and on also product side carbon, the dioxide, carbon it's 1. Hydrogen, if we take, it's 4 on the reactant side and it's 2 on product side. So if I write a 2 here, 2H2O, so hydrogen will be balanced. Now talking about oxygen, oxygen is 2 on reactant side and now oxygen is 4 on the product side. So if I multiply oxygen by 2, then you will have a complete balanced equation. So the complete balanced equation will be methane plus 2 oxygen giving rise to carbon dioxide plus 2 water. Okay, so this will be the complete balanced equation. Similarly, one more very simple equation, we have hydrogen and chlorine given rise to hydrochloric acid. It's a combination reaction wherein two reactants combine to give rise to a single product. So again here if we talk about the elements participating, hydrogen and chlorine, and elements formed again as hydrogen and chlorine. So on reactant side, hydrogen diatomic molecule is 2, and on right hand side it's 1. So if I write a 2 beside hydrogen, then it's going to be, then hydrogen will be balanced. Chlorine, again it's diatomic molecule, 2 on left, and now again I have already written 2 on right side. So hence the complete balanced equation will be H2 plus Cl2 giving rise to 2HCl. Again similar, one more type of reaction involving the combination hydrogen plus nitrogen giving rise to ammonia. So the elements, again here we have hydrogen nitrogen on both reactant and product side. Hydrogen is 2 on left side and there is 3 on the product side. So when we have a number like this 2 and 3, then we know that 6 is a number which is both a multiple of 2 and 3. So what we can do is we can multiply hydrogen by 3 and we can multiply ammonia by 2. So in this way what happens, hydrogen will now have 3 into 2. Okay, so here it's 3 2s are 6 and here again 3 2s are 6. Hydrogen is balanced. Now when we talk about nitrogen, again nitrogen is a diatomic molecule and it has 2 atoms on left hand side, and on right side you have already written 2, and hence again it's completely balanced with hydrogen 6 atoms on both reactant and product side, and again nitrogen with 2 atoms. So the complete balanced equation will be 3 hydrogen plus 2 nitrogen giving rise to 2 ammonia. This will be the balanced equation. Now, thank you very much.